Hello guys, in this lecture I am going to show you how to earn money from YouTube channel. You can earn money through YouTube. It is so simple. First of all, create a YouTube account and increase your subscribers to 1000 or more, and then apply for a Google AdSense account and connect your Google AdSense account to your YouTube channel and earn money. It is so simple. Okay, in this lecture I am going to show you how to create a YouTube channel. Okay, let's start. First of all, open your browser. Okay, then sign in to your Google account. Okay, I have already signed into my Google account. Now go to YouTube. Then you have to change your email from here. Switch account. Yes, this is my account. Okay, what will you do now? You have to create your channel. For this reason, click here and then YouTube Studio. Sorry, create channel. Okay, if you want to change your name of YouTube channel, that I am writing tips online, earning tips online. Okay, you want to set a business name, you have to click here. Okay, here you can type a single name as like info tech. Okay, then if you click create, it will be created. Okay, but I want to write this name. Online. Okay, changing slightly. Okay, online earning tips, create channel. Okay, here is my channel. Okay guys, now you have to do that. You have to go to YouTube Studio Beta and then Creator Studio Classic. Okay, just skip this. Yes, here you will find this page. Okay, now click on channel. Here is the option to verify. You must verify your YouTube account. Without this, some features will not be enabled. Okay, now I am verifying it. Okay, text me a verification code, phone number. Okay, I'm submitting it. Okay, they have sent me a verification code. Okay, I have got this 907274. Okay, now I have to submit it. Okay, account verified. Okay, let's continue. Okay, look, some features have enabled. Okay, return to YouTube Studio. Okay, first of all, we have to customize our channel. Yes, here is it. Customize channel. Okay, first of all, I am editing my channel icon. Okay, upload photo. Desktop to one. Yes, sorry, it is to open. Yes, this is my photo. Okay, done. And I have to change this. It will take some time. Okay, profile picture updated. It will take some time for changes to appear everywhere. Okay, after few minutes or hours, you will see that your art picture will be changed. Okay, reload it. Okay, it has not come, but it will appear here after few minutes or few hours. It will not take so much time. Check my channel. Okay, videos, no videos. How people earn money from YouTube? That is the question. It is so simple. You have to create video as like you create anything as like jokes or drama or some learning things or adventure, anything you want. If we check some video that okay, mm, look, here is the ad and people earn through this ad. When you have 1000 subscribers or 4000 hours view of your YouTube videos, then you can apply for ad server, and then Google AdSense will send ads to your channel, and when you will post your video, the ads will show automatically. This is very simple. As much as you have subscriber as you earn. It is very simple. Okay, no more today. I hope you all understand that how to earn money from YouTube. It is so simple that first of all create a YouTube channel and upload videos regularly. If you upload videos, your subscribers will increase day by day. At one time, you must get 1000 subscribers and 4000 hours view of your YouTube videos, and then you will apply for Google AdSense account to connect with your YouTube channel, and then Google AdSense will send ads to your YouTube videos, and after that you will earn day by day and your earnings will increase day by day. Thanks for today and thanks for watching this tutorial.